Hello everyone, this is Alarm System Tech here with Systems in Action episode 23 with the Fire-Lite MS-5UD and the Fire-Lite ECC-50 Emergency Command Center. So for the initiating devices on the system, I have my SIGCOM yellow tornado pole station. And then right next to that I have a Adamco 5140 MPS-1, which is a single action pole station. And I have a system sensor 5601P from last time, along with the 2WB i3. For the notification appliances, I have a Wheelock RSSA-24110W-NW. This is a fixed 1575 candela amber strobe with just the standard white plate. Doesn't have any lettering on it, so it kind of makes it special. And then I have a Siemens rebranded Wheelock SE-MC-W. Wheelock probably has their own model number, but I don't remember that off the top of my head. This is set on 15 candela, as you can see right there. And the system is currently set on temporal loop with the standard fire message. So let's go ahead and activate the system.
Attention, please. May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire reported in the building. Please proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building.
Alarm silenced. Let's go ahead and reset our pole station. And we'll initiate a system reset on the main panel. And we'll demonstrate this guy by pulling the tornado pole station.
Your attention, please. A severe weather warning has been received. Please walk to the nearest safe area and wait for further instructions. Elevator lobbies, stairwells, bathrooms, and auditoriums are designated safe areas in the event of severe weather. Stay away from windows and glass. Do not use the elevators. Your attention, please. A severe weather warning has been received. Please walk to the nearest safe area and wait for...
What's nice about the ECC is when it's in alarm, you can actually pause the message. That way you have time to reset the pole station. Let's grab this key out of here. Reset this one. And we'll reset this panel first. And we'll deactivate the ECC by pressing this top button here. And that basically turns off everything, and then you just disable system control. Now, it's in trouble like that because it probably has to do with me pausing the message, so it'll clear after a minute or two. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was Systems in Action episode 23. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.